due to the very strong fiscal answers we gave in the last year and we still give, we are moving quite good through the crisis. If we look at the figures of the economic development, we see that there is a way back to growth. We see that it was not that bad in the last year, though there was this big impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and the economic consequences of the first lockdown. And we have some expectations that for this year there will be a growth which is above of 3%, which is quite a lot if we understand the situation we are in. So we are relatively optimistic that with our still strong fiscal measures, we will be able to go through this situation, even within the second wave of infections and even within the second lockdown we are seeing now.
Let's talk a bit about the budget planning, because at least in my understanding, you have to come up with a plan by March for next year. And we have that initial debate now about the so-called debt brake. Do you think it is illusionary to think that we can stick to that debt brake, which is now a constitution?
We are moving quite good through this years. 20 and 21, we used the ability we have from the Constitution to take extra measures in a crisis, and we have to see what will be the steps for the next time. It's obviously that there will be strong efforts necessary for the next years, but we also understand that on the middle range we will be able to grow through this situation, and that we will go back to a very good situation where we are at the situation we had in the end of 2019, when we were able to follow all the consequences of stability pact in Europe.
But you're also coming up with more and more support measures for the economy. So how is the payment of those support packages going? Because there was some initial problems as well.
There's a lot of money flowing, even for those special measures we took in November and December. It's now some billions that are brought to the companies. And when they give us the whole report of the losses and situation they had in this month, they will get the rest. This is now in the decision procedure of the 16 states within Germany, but it is ongoing.